Well, hello there. This is Dom from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm so glad to have you in the studio today. Today we'll be doing something really cool. Listen, we are going to be doing our Christmas collection. We are starting it this week, okay? Listen, I don't know if you're excited. I'm excited about this Christmas collection. Time to turn up. Time to turn up, okay? Listen, do not forget that during the week I do the one-on-one coaching sessions with candlemakers just like you. You could just be starting yesterday. You could have started 2 years ago. You ain't selling your candles. Ain't nothing working out for you. You need to talk to me, okay? Because sometimes we talk about labels, we talk about wigs, we talk about branding, we talk about trademarking. Guys, you name it. We talk about everything. That is the gift that I have in my life to help people, and I am here to help you. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Just give me a hug, give me a hug. Yes, it's going to be all right. It's going to be all right. We're going to get your candle business up and going. Book your session. Go ahead in the description box. Guys, listen, this candle that we're going to make today is going to be so beautiful. I call it the Christmas Pretzel candle. Yes. Guys, listen, I could not decide what fragrance I want to use because I mean, listen, if you can look behind me, you know I got a whole lot of fragrances, but this ain't nothing. This is nothing. I have a lot. I have a whole lot. So we're going to use vanilla on the top. We'll probably use like a salted caramel on the bottom, like a salted caramel pretzel type fragrance on the bottom. I have some caramel embeds like I showed you guys before. You can make this stuff at home. Yes, you can make it at home. I showed you guys in this video that I have. If you scroll down, there's a video I made a long time ago, and it's basically how to make your own silicone molds at home. So you can do that at home. We have some sprinkles. I have 2 different types of sprinkles. I have my whip wax that is already made. I just made a big old fresh batch, okay? Oh, can't do that, all right? And I gotta get my piping bag. Get your piping bag, get your piping tips. Guys, listen, let's get ready to do this. We are going to do this, right? Listen, the Christmas line is going to be off the chain. Like, if you are following me for your Christmas candles, the Christmas line, say this out loud. The Christmas line will be off the chain, okay? The Christmas line will be off the chain. The Christmas line will be off the chain. The Christmas line will be off the chain. Off the chain. Off the chain. Say it. Now you ain't gonna say it back. Now you ain't right. All right, y'all. Let's get on in this. What? We're about to make some candles. Okay, so I'm taking my pot. I'm kind of pouring this inside the bowl. Just be careful so you don't have a whole lot of splashing going on. Make sure you stir it for 2 minutes. If not, the fragrance is going to sit right on the top. So there we go. So what we want to do now is just go ahead and let it solidify. Let it solidify. Let that layer get nice and hard before. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing right now is I am decorating my pretzels, okay? So basically what you do is you take a little white wax. Take you a clean, nice pretzel. You decorate it by just putting the wax on it. Just, you know, cover it with wax. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. Let me see. I'll put it right here. Okay. So just take it, cover it with a little wax. And then take some sprinkles, sprinkle on it. And that's it. You just sprinkle it. And then these other ones right here, I just dipped it inside the wax just to see how it would come off. Like I basically took it and I dipped it in the wax like that. Then I dipped it in the candy. Just a little slight dip. Just to see how that would come out. I don't know if you guys like that. But either way, you know, you can do it. And that way is actually quicker when you dip it. Just don't dip it all the way in the candy. Just kind of slightly dip it. Like just dip it like that. Really light inside the wax. And then dip it in the candy like really light. Just kind of touch it. You know, don't go crazy. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So I have enough of them. I don't want to make too many because I'm not going to, you know, make a whole lot of these candles. Whenever I do a Christmas line, I don't make a whole lot of it. You know, don't go crazy on a Christmas line. Like, no, some people will make 100 Christmas candles. You don't know how you're going to sell those candles. And remember, it's Christmas, so it's seasonal. So you're going to end up having to clearance it out. And that ain't always fun. I don't like clearancing out too much of anything. Give it a little spin around the block. Just making it soft. Just soften it up a little bit because it's been sitting. All right. Okay, friends, that should be good. That should be nice and good. So next thing you want to do is you want to take your spatula, begin to fill up your bag. Like I always teach you guys on every video. It shouldn't be a mystery. Some people just like to see it, so I just repeat it for you. Alright, so put it on there like that. This looks so good. This whipped frosting, it looked amazing. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's so perfect. I love the way 464 come out. I really love that part. Okay, I have to fix this. Okay. Alright. You're going to go ahead and shake it on down to the bottom. And this is one of them candles that I know I'm probably going to end up needing more, but I'm just putting a little bit in the cup and then I'll come back and get more as we go. Have your bowl ready, guys, because this is the most fun part where you get to just really go and decorate this candle the way you want it to be. Okay? So you just go ahead and start piping it in here. Now remember, this is what's going to be shown. This is what's going to be seen. So you want to decorate it, make it look pretty. Just pipe all around this bowl. I want you guys to be able to see it. I don't want you to miss anything. Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing is just making the most out of my tip. Just doing the star all around. And the good thing about this is when you go to lay sprinkles and stuff like that, when you do this, it's going to look beautiful. Like, it's really going to look beautiful. Those sprinkles are really going to be shown with this white wax. That's why I love 464. It gives such a beautiful, fluffy look. Okay? Now, it's up to you how far you want to take this up. But remember, this is a bowl, so you can really have fun with this. You can come up. It's not going to be any spillage. And, you know, it's all going to be seen on the outside of the bowl. So you just make sure you just take your time and pipe it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lay a pretzel right here as I pipe. Okay. Oh shoot, I laid it the wrong way. I wanted to lay it backwards. I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Okay. So I'm going to lay a pretzel right there against the wall of it so it could be seen. Kind of messed it up because I put a little bit of frosting on it. I didn't want to do that. But you covering it up. And I'm going to have to go ahead and put more. So on the outside of it, like this one, I kind of messed it up a little bit because I just was moving too fast, so it's not clean, which is fine. But the rest of them, just make sure you're doing it neatly. And I'm going to go ahead and push these pretzels down on the side. Now that one is not as bad. Okay, so I just got like 2 pretzels sitting on the side, which is cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put more frosting in it, guys. This is going to be really cute. Really, really, really cute. And I'm just giving you guys some holiday ideas for your bowls. Just giving you some cute little holiday ideas, and that way you like, you know, you sitting back and you like, yo, what can I do for the holidays? And this is just so perfect. You know, so move your wicks around. And I'm not done with the frosting. I actually want more because it's just so big. The bowl is not it's not the biggest bowl that Dollar Tree has. Because this is the Dollar Tree bowl, but it's the second size, the one that got the plastic cover. And yeah, so it's a nice size. It's not as small as the little anchor bowls that I was using the other day, which I'll probably not buy again because I like this bowl a little bit better than those. It's more wide and open than those anchor bowls I was telling you guys about from Walmart. But if they run out in Dollar Tree like they did, because they ran out and I ended up having to order these online. So if that happens to you, then you might just have to go to Walmart in case of an emergency and get what you have to get. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Okay, so I'm just piping a little bit more into here. And then we're going to go ahead and have so much fun with this. Yes, just fill it in. Don't overdo it. Remember, we don't like spillage. We don't like spillage. I know I don't. Okay, so now is the part where we're going to have a little fun, okay? Are you ready to partay? I am. Okay, so we're going to put a pretzel right here. We're just going to lay these pretzels in there. We're going to put some caramel. Yes, we're going to put some caramel. We're just going to put these little pretzels in there. They are so cute, okay? They are so cute. Yes, just go ahead and just put them on in there. 2 pretzels right here, guys. And then we're going to add a caramel piece in the middle. Caramel. I call it caramel. You can add your little caramel piece in the middle. And you can put as many pretzels as you would like inside this candle. That's the good thing about it. You can design it yourself. Make it look like something that you would want. You know, something that you would want to buy. Okay? Design it. Decorate it. Amen. All right. So you look at that. That is so cute. All right. Now, I honestly want some more caramel. Okay? I cannot just leave it just so empty like that. Okay? It's just without hope. I don't like that. Okay. Alright, I think that might be enough. I'm not a person that like to overdo it. I like to just do just enough. So I might just use just one more piece of caramel. Okay, one more piece. Alright, so we're going to leave it like that. So, you know darn well we ain't about to just leave this candle like that. You know we got to go ahead and break it off with a little preview of the remix. Alright, just do the remix. So we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some sprinkles in there. Okay. Because I'm sprinkling, but only the big part is not coming out. I don't know why it's not coming out. The big part is not coming out. Mayday, mayday. So I'm just going to dump it in my hand. And you could just go ahead and just put it in there the way you want it to look. Yeah, I see why. I don't want the big part. I want the little parts. So, because the big parts are white, and I don't want white on top of my cream. So you just got to go ahead and sprinkle your sprinkles in there. Okay, and it is done. Okay, this is a cute little candle. Christmas pretzel candle, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You like that? I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I really, really like it. Alright, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss the lovely candles that is coming up on this channel in a week to come. Guys, we will be doing some wonderful Christmas candles on this channel. You do not want to miss. This is not the first, and this is not the last. This is not the last. This is not the last. We are going to be doing a bunch of pies. This holiday season, we will have some beautiful candles. One thing I wanted to do was I wanted to twist my wick in a curl position, but hey, we're going to just do it like this today, and it still looks marvelous, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you back again soon. Yes, this looks marvelous, marvelous, marvelous. All right.